Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me explain how to get access to interior lighting settings, and let me show you what you can change in interior lighting. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. From the following home screen, you can navigate by using the left bar, scroll down here and select here the car section. So let's just tap car, and as you can see under car, you've got here a few interesting features, interesting sections that you can choose. One of them is interior lighting. Let's just tap it. As you can see here, you can use a few things. You can use fade out. So this controls how long the interior lights stays on after you close the door or lock the car. They don't just click off, they slowly dim. So it's quite useful and quite fun to have this fade out feature. You can customize it. For example, you can fade out the screen after 240 seconds, but I think 30 seconds it's enough for me. It could be even 10 seconds, but I think 30 seconds is perfect time. We can also here go back and of course choose the brightness of the interior lighting. This adjusts the overall intensity of the ambient lighting inside the cabin. 50% is the middle. You can customize it from 0 to 100%. All right, let's go back. You can also choose here on opening doors. As you can see, you can check this box right here. So what it does when this is off, as I have it right now, the interior lights will not turn on automatically when you open the door or unlock the car. So it's just your preferences. You can enable this feature or you can disable. Let's just make sure which settings is the best for you. So I think that's it when we talk about the interior lighting in Porsche cars. You can check out if you have the similar settings in your Porsche and let me know in the comment. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.